The brand new Midpoint Chevy Buick GMC, the value leader.
This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include tow package, alloy rims, an alarm system, heated outside mirrors, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find front airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, a trip computer, anti-theft system, power outlet, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Better than brand new, it's grand new. It's the grand new opening of Midpoint Chevy Buick GMC 220 South, right before the Rocky Mount exit. Same great people that you've known and trusted for over 20 years.